With Panoramata, you can save great competitor examples all week and find the best examples right away. You like it? You save it, and it's there forever, classified automatically for you. Lists are great for that. Now, on Panoramata, on top of lists, you can create Canvas. Canvas is where the work actually happens. With AI, Canvas helps you reorganize everything that you've collected already and work directly so you can make sense of what you've already collected. It's super simple. Let me show you how it works. So here I have a list with all the best creative that I've saved from last May. I have dozens of ads, email, landing pages, everything just available here right away. By clicking now on Open Canvas, Panoramata just turned this into a whole canvas. Think a Figma board built for you with all the examples that you've selected over time. And the cool thing here is, of course, we have all the assets. When you see an email, you don't just have a screenshot of the email. You have the whole email available for you. Pretty much the same thing on the landing pages and the ads here too. You want to see all the ads, you have them here as well. And you can just entirely just reorganize them right away. You see a video that you like, you can of course play them right on screen within the space where you've collected them already. So it lives here and you can work from there right away. You want to add some context for your team, you can easily just leave them a note and say, okay, these are the ones that I like. There's one specifically that you want to highlight to your team. You can just go here and leave a comment. You can work directly from canvases. Right away, the platform allows you to add anything you'd like, reorganize them, how exactly you want this board to look like, and directly search from the platform to here in a click. Let's say I'm looking for GLP-1 examples. Right away, I have the most important emails and or ads with the keyword GLP-1 that I can add to my board right away. Even better than this, here I have a list on the I'm sorry trend, where a lot of companies were just advertising or sending emails saying, we're sorry because our products are too good, essentially. And that's a great list. And here I've selected a few examples that I'd like to refer to. Now, again, I can turn this into a board and ask a question to Panoramata. What are the different angles used by these creatives? The platform right away identifies the different angle. Apologies for high demand, shipping delays, product superiority or innovations. Well, basically, it's fake apologies, right? Here, the platform allows me to apply a layout right away. And if I click on this, then it just reorganized all the examples for me automatically. And I can see all the kind of apologies that they've been doing with the related example each time. And it just took a click. 1 minute to find the right examples that I was looking for using the built-in searches on Panoramata, collect them on a list, turn it into a board, and from the board, I can right away work from there and see exactly what these companies are up to. On Panoramata, you have all the tools to manage your inspiration based on what your competitors are up to. You don't have to manually get them anymore. We take care of the data collection for you, and then you have all the tools on the platform to actually turn your saved asset into real competitive inspiration boards. Try out canvases, and if you have any question, let us know. Take care, and wherever you are in the world, have an amazing day. Bye-bye.